5 birdies.
Wow.
Paka.
Fuck, this is the life-size pussy.
Pussy Giao. The terror of De La Salle. Dick. His name is
Truompo.
Big Soto. Also a terror of De La Salle. This is Kimpy.
Bolang Barantong.
Kimpy.
Barantong.
A nerd of De La Salle. Mind this guy.
For the main event.
Now, tipra niya kanya pa siya maluto. Tanda na malinitan din. Now, this is this is Daddy. There's Daddy. Daddy.
Don't be
Tell me a story,
shy.
Daddy. The famous Topakit. Topakit.
Good for you. Antagonistic effect.
Topakit ko ba? Ang kasawan sa forehead. Wow.
Yeah.
Very narrow. Ladies and gentlemen, Tochiki Tongshi.
That's a correction. Yeah, it's wow. Violent. Do you know what violence means? Violence. Let me tell you something about violence. Do you know the meaning of violence? No, of course. Tell us. Let me tell you. Violence is an instrument used in an orchestra. An orchestra is in a movie theater. And a theater starts with the letter T. And T is used in a gulp. Gulp is a body of water. And a water is the one who serves in a restaurant, which has restrooms where you can rest. Restroom? Take away room where rest it was left. Rest it was left. Rest it is what is left. Left is the opposite of right. And right is the opposite of wrong. Therefore, balance is wrong.
Google! 1, 2, 3.
Because of some technical difficulties, we would like to show you some brief interview with Salustano Guyao. Pussy Guyao. He's gonna make some clarification about the speech made by Tochiki. A while ago. Okay, let's hear it from
Thank you very much,
Kapag nag-iisan kasama ang gitara, basta't dumarating ang kanta, awiting maaari rin kung may kasama, tambol mo ay butas na lata. Sabayan ang sibol ang bawat pasada, huminga ng malalim at sabay ang luga. Kapag una at handa na ang lahat, sabay-sabay ang pasok sa bagsak ng paa.